In this video, we are going to see an interesting SQL interview question, compensation outliers. Your team at Accenture is helping Fortune 500 client ramping up their compensation and benefit program. The first step of this analysis is to manually review employees who are potentially overpaid and underpaid. An employee is considered to be potentially overpaid if they earn more than 2 times of the average salary of people with the same title. Similarly, an employee might be underpaid if they earn less than half of the average of their title. We will refer to employees who are both underpaid and overpaid as compensation outliers for the purpose of this problem. Write a query that shows the following data for each compensation outliers. We are given a table employee pay which has 3 columns: employee ID, salary and title. Here is the sample data. We have to display who are underpaid and overpaid. We can solve this problem using 3 different steps. The first step is to calculate the average salary for each title. Next, we have to create 2 new columns, double of average salary and half of average salary. Next, we have to identify the outliers using the newly created columns. Now let's get into the implementation. Here's our input table which has employee ID, salary and title. Let's implement the first step to create the average salary for each title. Let's do that. Average of salary over partition by the title. I'm going to name this as average salary. Let's run this. We got the average salary for each employees. Next step is to create new columns for double average and half average. Let's implement the next step. The average multiplied by 2 is double average. Let me include that in the parenthesis. And average divided by 2 is half average. Let me remove the comments and this run one more time. We got 2 new columns, double salary and half salary for each title. The next step is to find out the outliers. That is, the employees whose salary is greater than the double average salary are overpaid, and the employees whose salary is less than the half average salary are underpaid. Let's implement that. I'm going to create this as a temporary table. I'm going to name this as payout as, let me select this table, payout. Let me select the columns that are needed, employee ID, salary, case when salary is greater than double salary, then these employees are overpaid. Overpaid. paid. When salary is less than half salary, these employees are underpaid. Then underpaid. Now I'm going to name this column as outlier status and as outlier status. We need only the outliers in our result, so we have to include the filter conditions where salary greater than double salary or salary less than half salary. Let me run this. Here we got the employees whose salary is either underpaid or overpaid. Let me submit it. The solution got accepted. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.